കൊണ്ടിട്ട്. Good evening everyone. Okay, Anjita, Anjana, Michael, good evening. So I hope you all can see the board clearly, you can hear my voice. So welcome to our next live session. Today I have included 15 questions. First 5 questions will be from number series. Next 5 questions will be from word problem, and the last 5 questions will be from a caselet. Simple questions. Okay. Good evening Anju. Good evening Devi. Okay, so let's start today's session. Here comes your first question. Yes, time is up. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, Abhi Krishna, Ajit Ivy, yes, right answer. Okay, only 2 of you have commented the answer. Okay, Arya. Good evening Gauri, good evening Pradisha. Okay, so here, yes, answers are coming. Anju, Anakha, Roshni. Okay, so here you see, observe the pattern. 1015, next term is 508, which is almost near to the half. Next 255, 255, so that is also near to the half. 129, near to the half, so somewhere you have to take the half. Okay, so I am going to take the half, so that is into 0.5. Okay, so that is actually into 1 by 2. So what is that? Into 0.5, that is into 1 by 2. So this will be actually 507.5 plus 0.5 will give you 508. So what was the relation here? This is into 0.5 plus 0.5, that is 508. Next, from 508 I need to find out what is 255. Okay, so this is into, again near somewhere, you know, it is near to the half, so that is into 0.5, so that is, this is actually this is 254. Okay, so next 254 plus 1. Okay, that is 255. Next 255 into 0.5, so that is half, so that is 1, 2, 1, 127.5. Okay, so there plus 1.5 will give you 120, sorry, plus 1, that is 129. Yes. Next 129 into 0.5, so that is actually the half is 64.5. Okay, plus 2 will give you 66.5. Next will give you the answer 66.5 into 0.5 plus 2.5 will give you the answer. You will get the answer as option 4, 35.75. Okay, you will get the answer as option 4, 35.75. Okay, so the answer is option 4. Okay, many of you have commented the answer. Rohini, Anjita, Abhijit, Devi, Akhil S, Hari. Okay, so moving into the next question. Question number 2. Time is up. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, Abhi Krishna, Abhijit, yes, right answer, option 5. Please count the number of questions you could attend, okay, so because at the end of the session I will be asking you to comment your score. Okay, so here also, yes, all of you are commenting the right answer, option 5. See, 980, 484, 236, 112, 50, question mark 3.5. Okay, so here, as you observe the pattern, everything is coming near to the half, so it's somewhat related to the half. So 980 into half, this is actually 490. Okay, from 490 you have to subtract 6 to get 484. Next 484 into 0.5, that is half, so that is 242. 242 minus 6 will give you 236. So here also the same minus 6 is there. Next 236 into half, that is 118, minus 6 will give you 112. Next 112 into half, so that is 56, minus 6 will give you 50. So in the next step you will get the answer. 50's half is 25, minus 6 will give you 19. So our answer is 19, that is option 5. Good evening, Harita. Yes, Anjana, option 5 is the answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Let's move into the third question. Time is up. Waiting for the answer. Okay, Michael, you can do as you prefer, it doesn't matter. If you have any, see, for some of you it will be easier for you to take the twice, okay, than taking the half. If you feel that taking the twice is easier for you, you can go with it, okay. Yes, answers are coming. Abhijit, Vivek, Devi, Roshni, Anjana, Anjida, Harita, Adulya, Shalini. Yes, right answer. Option 5. See here, 32, 36, 52, 88, 152, question mark. Okay, so this is 4. I am just taking the difference here. Okay, so this is 4 because there is a gradual change here, 20 times. Okay, so next what is this difference? This difference is 440, 16. Okay, next what is this difference here? This is 6, this is 36. Okay, so next difference is 12, 4, 14, 64. So what are these numbers? These are actually 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. So the next should be 10 square, which is 100. So our answer should be 252. So our answer is 252. That is option 5, 252. Naveen, Gauri, yes, right answer. Ashwati. Next I am moving into the next question. Question number 4. Time is up. Yes, right answer. Akhil, Arya, Adarsh, Sharath, Rohini, Anjana, right answer. Gauri Lakshmi, yes, right answer. So, see, 3 into 20 times, yes, it is having a sudden change. Okay, so I am checking for the nearest, I am checking for the multiples. See, 4 and 12 it is exact multiple, but 3 and 4 it's not exact multiples, it is only nearest multiples are coming. So this will be most probably coming in miscellaneous series. Okay, so 3, 4, 12, next after the question mark it is 196. So between 4 and 12 and next 3 and 4. This can be written as 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 4. Next 4 into 2, 8 plus 4 is 12. Next 12 into 3 plus 2 square 3 square, no, 12, that is 9, so that is 36 plus 9, that is 45, so that is what we want. I am just checking the last digit also. 45 into 4 plus next 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square is 16. Okay, so that is actually 180 plus 16, that is 196. Yes, it is right. So our answer is 45. So that is option 1, 45. So let's move into the next question. Question number 5. Time is up. Answers are coming. Anandu, Adarsh, Abhijit, Devi, Rohini, Ellen. Yes, right answer. Okay, so here you see 2, 8, 26, 242. So what is the relation here? See, what is the relation here? There's a sudden change here. So, and exact multiples are not there, but you can check for nearest multiple. So, I am checking for the nearest multiple between 8 and 26 and 2 and 8. So, here into 3 plus 2 will give you 8, into 3 24 plus 2 will give you 26. Next 26 into 3, that is 178 plus 2, that is 80. This is what you have to find out. I am just checking the next also. 80 into 3, 240 plus 2, that is 242. So, answer is 80, that is option 3. So, that was the end of number series. Okay. Next we are moving into the word problem section. Next 5 questions will be from word problem. Okay. So, here comes the 6th question. Question number 6. Time is up. I am waiting for your answer. Is it clear now, Anjida? Okay. Yes, Devika, right answer. Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. So here different options are coming. See, question number 6. Viplav calculates his profit percentage on the selling price, whereas Rehan calculates his profit on the cost price. They find that the difference of their profits is rupees 275. If the selling price for both of them is same and Viplav gets 25% profit and Rehan gets 15% profit, then find their selling price. So you have to find out what is the selling price. So here you see, so the first person defines the profit percentage in terms of selling price, whereas the second person defines the profit percentage in terms of cost price. Okay. So here, and it is given that for Viplav, this is Viplav who calculates the profit percentage in terms of selling price, and next Rehan who calculates the profit percentage in terms of cost price. Okay. So here you see the profit percentage is given as 25% for Viplav. Okay. So here the profit percentage is 25% and we know profit percentage is profit by CP, profit by CP into 100. Okay. So this is given as 25%. Okay. So that is 25. So I am taking that by into 100 here. Okay. So that is why 25 by 100, and we know 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. 25 by 100, 25% is 1 by 4. So what is the CP here? CP is 4 and profit is 1. Okay. So CP is 4, profit is 1. Then what is SP? So the SP will be, we know selling price is cost price plus profit. So that is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So here our SP is, oh please wait a minute, here Viplav is defining it in terms of SP. So here this is actually profit by SP. I made a mistake here, please note it. This is actually profit by SP, because it is given clearly that Viplav calculates the profit percentage in terms of selling price. So profit by SP is given as 1 by 4. So your SP is 4. So SP is 4, profit is 1. So your CP will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Actually we don't need CP because only about SP is asked in the question. Okay. So next Rehan. Profit percentage, he calculates the profit percentage in terms of cost price. So profit percentage is profit by CP, which is given as 15%. And what is 15%? 15% is, you can write 15% as, you can cancel with 5, so this will be 3 by 20. Okay, so profit by CP is 3 by 20. Okay, so what is CP here? CP is 20 and profit is 3. Okay, so your SP is, you can write SP as CP plus profit. So CP plus profit is 23. Okay, so here what is SP? SP is 4. Here your SP is 23. Okay, so once again I repeat till here, the first person Viplav is defining the profit percentage in terms of SP. So profit by SP, normally we take profit by CP, but in this question it is asked to take profit by SP. So that is given as 25%, which is 1 by 4. Okay, so this SP is 4. So this profit is 1. Okay, actually we don't need the cost price, just leave it. Next Rehan is defining it in terms of cost price. So profit percentage is profit by CP, which is 15%, that is 3 by 20. Okay, so profit by CP is 3 by 20, you can equate. So CP is 20 and profit is 3. Okay, so what will be the SP? SP is 20 plus 3, that is 23. Okay, now what is given? See, if the selling price for both of them is same, it is given that these two selling prices are same. So, I am going to equate these two selling prices. So, this is Viplav and this belongs to Rehan. Okay. So, for Viplav, I have to make these two selling prices same. So, for that I am going to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 23? So, that will be 92. I am just multiplying 23 into 4. So, that is the LCM is 92. LCM is 92. LCM is 92. Okay. So, I am going to make these corrections. So, SP, so this data into 23 will give you SP as 92, and here in this data you have to multiply this data with the, here see your SP is 23, so this is 4. Okay. So, see what is the new SP? Your new SP will be 92 for Viplav, and for the profit will be 1 into 23, that is 23. Okay. Next, for Rehan, your SP is 92 and your profit is 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now, you see what is given? The difference of their profit is given as 275. Difference of their profit means, what is the difference here? 23 minus 12, that is 11. So, this 11 is given as 275. So, if this 11, difference of their profit 11 is given as 275. So, what is the relation here? Into 25. 11 into 25 will give you 275. Then, what is our question? Find the selling price. So, the selling price is 92. So, 92. Find out how much is 92. 92 will be 92 into 25. So, the answer will be 92 into 25. Okay. So, on solving this, you will get the answer as option 2, that is 2300. So, once again I repeat, because I think I have told you this type of question in the previous section. Okay. So, here the profit percentage, in the first case it is defined in terms of selling price, and in the second case it is defined in terms of cost price. Okay. So, in the first, so this denominator belongs to SP and this belongs to the profit. Here this denominator belongs to the CP, so that is 20, profit is 3, but you have to find out SP, because what is given, these two SPs are same. So, I am taking the LCM and making these two SPs same. So, here 4 into 23, that is 92. So, I am multiplying this entire data with 23 and this entire data with 4. Okay. So, SP 4 into 23 is 92. What about the profit? 1 into 23, so that is 23. Here 23 into 4 will give you 92, that is the selling price, and 3 4s are, that is the profit is 12. Okay. So, what is the difference of their profit? So, the difference of their profit is 23 minus 12, that is 11. So, this 11 is given as 275 in our question. So, find out how much is the selling price, that is 92. Okay. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Okay, Naveen, right answer. So, I am moving into the next question, question number 7. Yes, time is up. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, answers are coming. Arya, Ragi, Vivek, Ramya, Hari Prasad. Yes, right answer. Yes, Gauri, right answer. Okay, so let's start. A retailer purchased radio sets at the rate of rupees 400 each from a wholesaler. He marked up the price by 30% and allowed a discount of 8% on each set. Then find the profit percentage. Okay, so here what is given? He is purchasing, that is the CP is 400. You have to find out the percentage profit. Okay, so next he marked up the price by 30%. So what will be the selling price? Mark the price is actually 30% above. So that is 400 into 130 by 100 is your marked price. But this is the marked price. What I am going to find out is the selling price and how much discount is given. The 8% discount is given. Okay, 8% discount means remaining is 92. Okay, so the remaining 92% is coming towards the SP. Okay, so you can find out the selling price here and then find out the profit percentage. What is the profit percentage? So here these zeros you can cancel. This is 25. With 4 I am cancelling, so this is 25. Next with 5 I am cancelling, so this will be 26 and 5. Okay, so this is 26 into 92. 26 into 92 is 6 2s are 12, 2 remainder 1. Next 6 into 9, that is 54. 54 plus 1 is 55 plus 4 is 59. 5. Next 9 2s are 18 plus 5, that is 2392 divided by 5. This is SP. So you have to find out what is the profit percentage. So profit percentage is SP minus CP. So that is 2392 divided by 5 minus 400. Just multiply this 400 with 5. So that is 2000. So what is the difference? 392. So 392 by 5 divided by, what is the CP? That is 400 into 100. Okay, so on simplifying you will get the answer as 19.6%. So the answer is option 4. Yes, Anjana, right answer. So I hope it is clear for you. I am moving into the next question. Question number 8. Time is up. I am waiting for your answer. Yes. Okay, so many of you have commented the answer option 2. Yes, right answer. A person bought some articles at the rate of 5 per rupee and the same number at the rate of 4 per rupee. He mixed both the types and sold at the rate of 9 for 2 rupees. In this business, he suffered a loss of rupees 3. The total number of articles bought by him was. Okay, so here you see 5 articles per rupee, 4 articles per rupee, and 9 articles for 2 rupees. Okay, so here 5, 4 and 9, since these numbers are used, I am just assuming let the total number of articles be a multiple of 5, 4 and 9. Okay, even though the LCM is 180, I am just assuming let the total be 360. Let there be a total of 360 articles. Okay, so person bought some articles at the rate of 5 per rupee and the same number, see, same number is used. That means he is dividing out of the total 360, each part is half, so that is 180. So the first section is 180 and the next section is also 180. Next, a person bought some articles at the rate of 5 per rupee. Okay, so 5 per rupee means for 5 articles the cost is 1. So for 1 article, for 5 articles the cost is 1. So for 1 article it will be 1 by 5. So I am going to find out this value. So 180 into 1 by 5, that is the price of the first set of articles, plus next the same number which is 180 itself, 180 into at the rate of 4 per rupee. So for 4 articles the price is 1 rupee. So for 1 article it is 1 by 4. And what is this? I am simplifying with 5 I am simplifying with 5. So this will be 336 plus, and this is with 4, this is 45. Okay, so the total is 81 here. Okay, so the first, he bought some articles, so his total cost price is 81 rupees. Okay, and next and he sold at the rate of 9 for 2 rupees. So selling rate, what is the selling rate? He gets 9 articles, he gives 9 articles for rupees 2, means for 1 article the price is 2 by 9. Total how many articles are there? 360. So what is the SP? 360 into 2 by 9. So that is 80. So total the total selling price is 80. Total CP is 81, SP is 80. So what is the loss? Loss is 81 minus 80, that is 1. So this 1 is given as 3 rupees. You have to find out the number of articles bought by him. So what is that number of articles? That is 360. So our answer will be 360 into 3. So it is 0, 80, 1, 1080. So our answer is 1080. That is option 2. Yes, Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. I am moving into the next question. Question number 9. Time is up. Waiting for your answer. Yes, answers are coming. Vivek, right answer. Ramya, please check your answer. Roshni, Anju, Ranjesh, Anandu, Anjita, yes, right answer. Akhilesh, Shalini, Adarsh, right answer. So, question number 9. Nikita bought 30 kilograms of wheat at the rate of rupees 9.5 per kilogram and the same amount of another type of wheat at the rate of 8.50 per kg and mixed them. She sold the mixture at the rate of 8.90 per kg. Her total profit or loss in the transaction was. So, you have to find out the profit or loss. Okay. So, here you see the first part is 30 kilograms at the rate of 9.5 per kg and the same amount, which means that the next part is also 30 kilograms at the rate of 8.5 per kg. She sold the mixture at the rate of rupees 8.90. So, the selling price is 8.9. Okay, 8.90 per kg. So, that is the selling price part. So, this is a cost price part. Okay. So, let us see, you have to find out what is the cost price of this mixture. Only then you can find out whether it is profit or loss, because SP is clearly given. SP of the mixture is given as 8.90. Now, to find out whether it is profit or loss, you need to find out what is the cost price of this mixture. Okay. Here in both the mixtures are taken in the same quantity. So, when they are mixed, it is mixed in 1:1 ratio. Okay. So, let the cost price of this mixture be X and I am going to allegate it. Okay. So, in allegation, this value will be in between these two values. So, this is 9.5 and this is 8.5. So, clearly 9.5 is greater than X. So, this will be 9.5 minus X and this will be X minus 8.5. Okay. And since it is mixed in 1:1 ratio, these two quantities are equal. So, this is actually X minus 8.5 is equal to 9.5 minus X, or you will get 2X is equal to 18 or X is equal to 9. Okay, so you will get X is equal to 9. Now, next, what is our question? You have to find out the profit or loss. What is this? You got the CP of the mixture as 9, the SP is 8.90. So, what is the loss? Here it is a loss. Clearly, it is a loss here. So, your SP is less than your CP. So, it is a loss here. So, the loss of 0.1. The loss is a 0.1. So, the loss of 0.1 is there. So, this loss is for total how much kilogram is there? Total 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, so what is the total loss? So, the total loss will be, this is per kg value. For per kg the loss is 0.1. So, for the total will be 60 into 0.1, that is 6. Okay, so there is a loss of 6 rupees. The answer is option 3. I hope it is clear for you. Yes, Gauri, right answer. Naveen, right answer. Rohini, Vivek, yes, right answer. I am moving into the next question. Time is up. I am waiting for your answer. So different answers are coming, 3, 5, 2. Okay, let's see. A bookseller purchased 120 exercise books at the rate of rupees 3 each. So he is purchasing. So CP is actually 120 into 3. Okay, for each at the rate of 3 each, and sold 1/3 of them at the rate of 4 each. Okay, so he is selling 1/3. So the first portion is 1/3, next portion is half, and the next is rest. So 1/3 means 1/3 of 120, that is 40. So 40 books are sold at what rate? At the rate of 4. Okay, 40 books are sold at the rate of 4. Next, half means that is 60. Half is actually 60, and this 60 is sold at 5 each. Okay, and the rest, so 40 plus 60, 100 is sold. So next is 20. So this 20 is sold at cost price. So cost price means that is 3. You have to find out the profit percentage. What is profit percentage? Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100. Okay, so what is profit here? First of all, let's calculate the profit here. See, the CP of one book is 3, but he is selling at 4 means what is the profit there? That is 1 rupee. For each book that he sells here, the profit is 1 rupee. So with that 1 rupee, he is selling 40 books. So 1 into 40, 40 is the profit obtained from this part. Next, the remaining half is sold, that is 60 books are sold at 5 rupees. So what is the profit here? From 3 he is selling with 5, so that is an increase of 2. So the profit is 2. So this 2 into how many? 60. Okay, so with this 2, the increase of 2 is there, like that 60 books are sold. Okay, next coming to here, he is selling it at cost price itself, so he is not getting any profit from this section, so just leave it. Okay, so what is the total profit here? The total profit is 40 plus 120, that is 160. So the total profit is 160. Okay, so here this is 160 divided by what is the total CP? Total CP is 360. Okay, so that is 120 into 3 into 100. Okay, so this is actually 360. I am just writing it as 360 so that I can easily divide it. So this is 360. Okay, I am simplifying with 4. I am taking the zeros and I am simplifying with 4. This is 4 and this is 9. So that is 400 by 9. And what is 400 by 9? That is 44 4 by 9 percentage. 44 4 by 9 percentage. So the answer is option 2. Answer is option 2. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Next we are moving into the caselet section. It is a simple caselet. So let us move into the 11th question. Time is up. I will give you some more time as you have to read that passage. Okay. Waiting for your answer. simple question. Why you are taking this much time? Yes, right answer. So that was a very simple question. What is given? Every year a survey of 1000 people is conducted by the World Health Organization. They found that in the year 2001, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the percentage of people affected by jaundice were 30%, 40%, 30%, 20% and 45% respectively. The organization also found that every year out of the affected people, 60% were students, 10% were housewives and 30% were drivers. Okay, so here you see every year out of the affected. So for all the year this percentage remains same. Okay, the number of housewives, students and drivers were in the ratio 20:11:9 every year. First question, in the year 2003, find the number of housewives affected by jaundice. So in the year 2003, see 2003 means the percentage is 30%. Out of the total number of people, that is 1000, 30% were affected by jaundice means that is 300. Okay, so the person who were affected with jaundice, that is 300, and out of that you have to find out the number of housewives. So housewives were 10%, so 10% of 300, that is 30. So our answer is option 2, 30. Yes, many of you have commented the answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. I am moving into the next question. Yes, time is up. I am waiting for your answer. Vivek, Arya, Shalini, yes, right answer. So question number 12, in the year 2005, find the number of drivers who were not affected by jaundice. Okay, so 2005 means that is last one, so that is 45%, that is out of 1000 people, 450 people, 45% of them were infected, so that is 450 people were affected by jaundice. Okay, you have to find out who were not affected by jaundice. Okay, so for that you have to find out how many drivers were there. So for that, what is given? The ratio between housewife, students and drivers are given. Housewife, students and drivers, the ratio is 20:11:9. So this total is actually 40. This 40 is given as 1000. What is the relation here? Into 25 is the relation. So you can find out what is the driver. Okay, so that is 9. So 9 into 25, so that is 225. Okay, so actually how many drivers were there? 225 drivers were there. So out of that 225 drivers, see, you have to find out how many were not affected. So first you have to find out how many drivers were affected by this jaundice. So out of the total affected persons, that is 45% of 1000, that is 450. How many drivers are there? 30% of them are drivers. So that is 450 into 30%. Okay, so what is this? 135. So out of a total drivers, 135 drivers were affected. So the total drivers is 225, and out of that 135 were affected means what is the difference? 225 minus 135. So this difference is 90. So our answer is option 5, 90. Okay, many of you have commented the answer. Okay. And moving into the next question, question number 13. Yes, time is up. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, 𝐂𝐿𝐴𝐵, Shalini, right answer. So what is the difference in the number of students affected and not affected by jaundice in the year 2002? Okay, so number of students affected and not affected. So first let's find out the affected number of students. Okay, see in the year 2002, that is the second one, so that is 40%. So out of total 1000 people, 40% were affected, so that total count is 400. Out of that 400 persons who were affected by jaundice, you have to find out the number of students. So what is the percentage of students? That is 60. So 60% are affected means that is actually 240. Okay, so in 2002, the number of students who were affected by jaundice is 240. Next, what you have to find is not affected. What is the ratio? 20:11:9, and we know the relation is into 25. From the previous question, we know the relation is into 25. So you see, students is 11. Okay, so 11 into 25, so that is 275. So 275 students are there. Okay, so number of students who are not affected. So not affected will be how much? 275 minus total number of students is 275, and out of that 240 students are affected. So 275 minus 240, that is 35, and our question is what is the difference between these two? Okay, 240 affected and not affected. 240 minus 235, that is 205. So our answer is option 4, 205. Yes, Gauri, right answer. Gauri Lakshmi, right answer. So here also Vivek, Devi, Shalini, Rohini, Anjida, right answer. I hope it is clear for you. I'm moving into the next question, question number 14. Yes, time is up. That was a simple question. Just by looking the question itself, you can answer it. Yes, right answer. Devi, Adarsh, Arya, Vivek. Okay. See, find the ratio of the number of housewives affected by jaundice in the year 2001 to that affected by jaundice in the year 2004. Okay, so here already we have seen that no matter the years change, the percentage of housewives or students or drivers remains same. Okay, so that percentage related to housewife is not needed. Even if you take, it will be cancelled. Okay, so no need of taking the percentage of housewife. Just look into what is the percentage of affected persons in 2001 and 2004. 2001 it is 30 and in 2004 it is 20. So what is the ratio? 3:2. So our answer is option 3, 3:2. Okay, we don't want to take the entire value and all, because the number of housewives, it is 30%. See, 1000 into 30% into housewives, it is, housewife is 10%. Here also 1000 into 20 into 10, that will be just cancelled. So no need of writing, just take the ratio of the percentage of affected persons, that will give you the answer. Okay, I am moving into the last question of this session, question number 15. Time is up. That was a very simple question. Yes, answers are coming. Anandu, Arya, Achilles. Michael, Shalini, Vinci, Mol, Rohini. Yes, right answer. And also, I would like to know your score. Please count the number of questions you have attended out of 15. I want you to comment the score when I ask you to. So here, which year had the maximum number of students not affected by jaundice? See, number of students affected by jaundice is same, that is 60% in all the years. So that 60% does not have any influence. So what is the factor that affects the number of students that are infected? That is the total number of persons who are infected in that year, the number of persons who are infected in that year. So in which year, so our question is reverse, not affected. So in which year is the year which has lesser percentage will be our answer. So in which year it is a lesser percentage, that is 20%, second last one, that is 2004. So our answer is option 1, 2004. Okay, yes, yes, please comment your score, I would like to know. Michael, Anjita, okay. Okay, I am waiting to see your score, please comment it. Yes, Gauri, good, 11 out of 15. So I think you are the topper today. Oh, Shalini, 13 out of 15. Okay, so practice more questions. So only through practice you will be able to improve your speed. Okay, so I am winding up the session. Thank you.